I am Dr. Umesh Sharma, the head of the Department of Nephrology and Renal Transplantation at the Ramesh Group of Hospitals at Vijayawada, Guntur and Ongole. You may be wondering why a nephrologist. You see, nephrology deals with the science of kidneys, and kidneys are a pair of very, very vital organs that are responsible for a number of functions to keep the human body healthy. Apart from all the waste products that are generated with the metabolic processes in the body, whatever toxins are formed in the body, whatever extra fluid is held by the body, all of this is excreted by the kidneys in the form of urine. So much so that of the total amount of blood which is put out by the heart, 25% or 1/4 goes through the kidneys. In a day, the heart pumps out about 200 liters of blood, which is sent to every single organ and system in the body. Of this 200 liters, more than 98%, that is about 197 liters, is returned back to the heart after circulation, and another 3 liters is up to 3 liters is thrown out in the form of urine and sweat. Now the dominant amount of this excretion is through urine, and so kidneys are the ones that keep the interior of the body healthy by throwing out all the waste products as well as toxins or the drugs that we consume, or accidentally if there are heavy metals that enter the body. All of these are thrown out of the system in the form of urine by the two kidneys. So when the kidneys fail or when they do not function normally, all these wastes and toxins accumulate in the body and do not allow the brain, the heart and all the other organs also to function normally. You can take the analogy of the drainage of the house being blocked in some manner. So obviously the house will not be healthy because all the wastes will accumulate within the house. So this is something similar to that. Apart from this, the kidney is a very potent organ which makes lots of hormones. It maintains the blood pressure, it maintains the fluid balance so that you remain well hydrated at all times, and it generates a hormone called erythropoietin which keeps your hemoglobin normal. Under the influence of erythropoietin, the bone marrow makes new blood cells as the old cells are being removed, and your hemoglobin remains steady. So it is pretty obvious that in case the kidneys do not function normally, you will have accumulation of fluid in the body, accumulation of waste in the body, you will be severely anemic, and all of your organs will not be able to perform normally. In fact, in the early 20th century, a famous physician called Homer Smith actually said that you could be a heartless brute or a brainless idiot, but if your kidneys do not function, you cannot survive, you cannot live normally. So this is the relevance of kidneys, and the nephrologists try to treat all the renal diseases to keep the kidneys as healthy as possible. When all else fails, they offer renal replacement therapy in the form of dialysis, and if a donor is available, in the form of renal transplantation, so as to put a healthy kidney inside the body which can perform the job of your own native kidneys. So this is the relevance of a nephrologist. Thank you.